Hello, in this video I'm gonna do a quick unboxing of Xiaomi 14T Pro. I'm gonna show you all box accessories that we can find in this box. So let's get right into it. So let's open the box. Immediately we can find the paper box, and right behind it we have the phone. However, before we move to the phone, I'm gonna show you what is inside this paper box over here. So let's open it. Immediately after that, once we open it, we have the SIM pin ejector. So if you're looking for it, then you should not miss it by opening this paper box. And inside we can find the USB cable. We have some safety information as well as the quick guide. And last but not least, we also have the case for our smartphone, and it looks like this, at least in my case. All right, so that once that we have covered, now we can move on to the device itself. Let's try to take it out. There we go. And let me quickly take it out from this. And this is how the device looks like. So over here we have the back. We have 4 camera lenses in total. At the top we have, I believe this is the IR blaster, it looks like one, and apparently speaker as well. And at the bottom we have the SIM slot or the SIM eject. We have the USB cable or input for the USB, and another speaker at the bottom. On the left side there is nothing, and on the right side we have the volume up and down buttons as well as the power button. And that's pretty much it. It looks pretty solid. The material is actually pretty solid as well. It looks pretty good. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.